Quality auditing is a systematic examination of organisational systems carried out by an internal or external quality auditor or an audit team. It is an important part of an organisation's quality management system and is a key element to the ISO quality system standards, the ISO 9001. Quality audits are typically performed at predefined time intervals and ensure that the institution has clearly defined internal systems monitoring procedures linked to effective action. This can help determine if the organisation complies with the defined quality system processes and can involve procedural and results-based assessment criteria. There are some principles to quality auditing. These can be understood as the foundation for effective auditing practices. These principles guide the conduct of audits and ensure that they add value to the organisation. Let's go through these 7 principles now. The first is integrity. The foundation of professionalism, auditors must perform their work with honesty, diligence, and responsibility. They must observe and apply appropriate ethical standards. The next is fair presentation. The obligation to report truthfully and accurately. Audit findings, conclusions, and reports should always reflect truthful and accurate audit activities. Number 3 is due professional care. The application of diligence and judgment in auditing. Auditors must exercise care in accordance with the importance of the task they perform and the confidence placed in them by the organisation and other stakeholders. Number 4 is confidentiality. Securing information acquired during the course of the audit is imperative. Auditors must not use the information for any personal gain or in a manner that would be detrimental to the client's interests or the integrity of the audit process. Number 5 is independence. The basis for the impartiality of the audit and objectivity of the audit conclusions. Auditors must be independent of the activity being audited and must approach the audit with an unbiased and objective mindset. Number 6 is evidence-based approach. The rational method of reaching reliable and reproducible audit conclusions in a systematic audit process. Audit evidence should be verifiable and based on samples of the information available, since an audit is conducted during a finite period of time and with finite resources. And lastly, customer focus. Understanding and meeting the needs and expectations of customers is paramount. This principle emphasises that auditors should consider the interests of all parties involved, including the organisation, its customers, and any other stakeholders. These principles are universally applicable to all audits, regardless of the type or size of the organisation to be audited. They help ensure that the audit process is carried out in an effective and consistent manner, leading to the improvement of the overall quality management system and the organisation's performance. Quality audits can also provide objective evidence concerning the need for the reduction, elimination, and most importantly, prevention of non-conformities, which in turn can then lead to significant improvements in cost control, competitiveness, and even market position.